It's been a long day. Elmo, what you doing over there?
Oh no, I'm gonna eat the refrigerator.
Refrigerator? Why you eat the refrigerator for?
Because I'm hungry and I don't feel like opening up the refrigerator.
But you can do this. Opens up.
No, I'm gonna eat it whole.
Okay.
Now I was chewing outside. Because I can.
Emma, you're weird. You just ate a refrigerator and spit it out the damn window. You don't ain't gonna see that.
I don't care about him. That's a jerk.
Yes, we know. But you could just poop in the refrigerator and see what it does.
Nope, that's old. I just ate the refrigerator and spit it out the damn window.
Oh no, Emma. Hank's back from whatever he does.
Oh no, we gotta get the hard here. Yahoo! Yahoo!
Damn it. Oh, I'm back for a long ass down there. I tell you what. Oh, sit down, my feet hurt. Hank, did you see something different in your kitchen? Yup. Where's my damn refrigerator? Did you see on the front door? I saw the big ass white box thing. What is that? That's the refrigerator? Elmo ate the refrigerator and spit it out the window. Dang it. Why in the hell everybody's in my damn house? Now I gotta go out there and buy another refrigerator. I'm not doing that till next year. Next year? What we're gonna eat then? What we're gonna eat for dinner? Lunch, breakfast. Boy, you don't want someone? You asked it out and live here. Yes, you do. I live in your vents. Oh, you broke. Remember last time you broke my damn vents? I had to fix it to me weeks. Yes. The vents is bigger than this, Squishy. Yes. Don't look in the sink. Why don't I look in the sink? Are you alright? Yep, I just took a dump in my pants. Boy, you don't eat. No, you took crap out of damn fruit. I can't speak. Damn it, boy, you took a damn dump in my damn sink. Tell you what. How much damn time to tell you gotta use the damn toilet, not damn sink? No refrigerator, what the hell? Don't let that damn don't let that damn dude come back in my damn house, tell you what. Hey Hank, what you cooked last night? That shit was nasty. Why? I wasn't here last night. Who cooked it? Cooked what? This. What's this? That's dang it, boy, that's damn dog food. You just ate dog food last night. And you didn't attempt the damn dishes up either on the other side. I took it to the Hank, I'm gonna go bed, cause it's a long day. Boy, I never had a long day in my damn room. Oh yeah, before you go, you gotta pick up my refrigerator and make sure it's still working. Oh, I whooped the ass, and my window's broken too. Okay, everybody.
I want to kick your guys' ass.
Go try. Go puke and shit in your face.
Nope.
Thanks for listening, and new ones coming soon. The things I do.
The things I do in Hank's pants. Boy, kick your ass, tell you what.
Peace. Right man out.